It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. And suddenly, all at once, my legs won't let me stand.
What's up everyone, this is Ricky from No Lemons, and today I brought my car over to WeTint. So we're going to get the front bumper wrapped, little things to make it look a little bit better. I'm going to show you what little things can make a huge difference. I'm also thinking of wrapping the BMW I8, so hopefully that's coming up soon enough. This is some of his work. I have to say, their work up here, it's amazing. If you guys want to get your car wrapped or window tinted, look up this place. It's the place to go. Let's go.
Oh, where we belong.
Alright guys, just as we're here, we're just having a chat, and I thought I could ask if I can get the logo for the company sticked onto the car, and they actually do that. Not their main focus, but something they will look into it. If you have some questions as well about that, just email info@WeTint.ie, right?
That's right.
That's
yeah,
it.
that's
They've got the machine here, and this is the color. Hopefully it's gonna look really nice. I think it's a beautiful color, and if I got the calipers of the car to be painted the same colors, will stand out nicely.
We're 1,000 miles away. We're 1,000 miles away. So I say run. I run so we can get lost together. Run. To where we belong. Oh, where we belong. Oh, where we belong.
So while I'm waiting to get my front bumper done and get it wrapped, I'm gonna go in and maybe get a vape. Let's go, let's see what they got. So as I'm waiting for my car to be wrapped, I said I'll come over here to Red Power, and I was shocked by looking at this. It's 2010 F10 BMW. Nothing about it is stock. It just looks absolutely amazing. I think it's the nicest F10 I've seen in Ireland, in terms of the way he lowered it down. Look at the size of the wheels, and he only wants 20 grand for it. I think it's worth it. If you're interested in buying this, Red Power, Dublin, Red Cap, right? That's where you see this car.
Give them the side, pop the side. Give them the style, but we wicked and wild. Give them the side, pop the side. Give them the side, but we were versatile. Give them the side, pop the side. Give them the side, but we wicked and wild. Give them the side, pop the side. Give them the side, but we were versatile. Give them the side, but we were versatile.
that's it from Red Power. The staff were super nice. I love the fact that they actually, as soon as I walked in, I was like, I just want to shoot this car. And they're like, oh, we've got another car at the back, let me go and show you. It was absolutely amazing. So now I need to go back and check my car to see if it's done. Let's go. So for those who are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you like this video. What's up guys, so here we go, we're back at the mechanic. So this time we're gonna screw it on properly, hopefully never falls again. I promise not to speed so much on the main roads, and hopefully it doesn't fall again. But I just want to show you exactly what happened. This is a universal front lip that you can actually buy it and put on any car you want. It's not made for the 6 Series. I was just looking at the prices of the one that are made for the 6 Series. It's completely a rip-off, really expensive for exactly the same material. What happened, so this is the old one, and this is what it looks like. And at this side here, this is actually pretty okay, so is this side, but right here is where it cracked. And I can see, if I could show you, so if you can see, this wasn't slowly starting to, same thing is going to happen to it. It's just cracking right here on the side, and this what could possibly happen to this newer one. But hey, it's quite cheap, so if it happens again, I'll get another one. I'd rather do that and make the car look even nicer than the original one, and then pay 5 times the price is what I paid for this, for the original one. Right, I almost forgot about one last thing. I also bought the side skirt. It goes from the back all the way to the front. Better than the one I have on the car at the moment. I'm gonna record exactly what we will put on, so to help you guys. If you want to know exactly where I bought it as well, send me a message or put it in a comment below, and I'll answer you as fast as possible, and I'll send you the link. You can actually fit it at home, but if you have the right tools, you don't need to go to a mechanic to get it fitted for you. But I'm too lazy to do that. So RCR Motors here, it's the place to be if you need all these kind of things, and they don't break the bank either, so they're good to come to. Stay tuned, let's go have a look what it's doing. So that's it, it's all done. Thank you guys so much for being there for me, watching this whole video. Subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll upload a lot more. There's a lot more to come. I know this is just a startup, but with your help I could do it all. I could do more videos. As you all know, I've been talking about the BMW I8 a lot, and I haven't done the review. I just need the right time. There's a lot to know about the I8, so I just don't want to do the video for the sake of doing it. I really believe quality over quantity. Thank you so much for the support, and again, please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up.